Hey hippies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a review and first impression on the new Morphe Brushes 39L Hit the Lights palette. This palette is in collaboration with 4 beauty influencers. I will leave all their handles down below so you guys can check them out. It has 39 shades. They range from matte, shimmers, and like loose shimmers, I would say. And the reason I have 2 different eye looks right now is because I wanted to try as many shades as possible and let you guys know how they perform, how they work, and all of that good stuff. So this palette came out this morning. I went to a Morphe store at my local mall, purchased this with my own money, and wanted to do this review for you guys, get it up as quick as possible in case you were interested in purchasing it for yourself. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I like this palette and my thoughts on it, then just keep watching. Okay, so I think I'm going to do 2 different eye looks for both eyes because I want to play with this palette. There's so many shades. So I figured if I did 2 different eyeshadow looks, I could play a lot more with more colors and let you guys know how they perform, how I like them, and if this palette is worth it, in my opinion. I'm going to start with my Morphe M573 brush and then just dip into a transition shade. And I'm just going to start with this brown kind of shade that looks like the best transition in this whole palette and just sweep it across my whole eyelid. Now taking a smaller blending brush, I'm going to take a little bit darker brown and focus that more on the outer corner of my eye, and then whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to sweep it more across the whole lid. First thing I'm noticing with this darker matte brown shade is that it's not that easy to blend out like I'm used to, and it's a little patchy, so I'm going to add more and see if I can blend it out better. It blended out better, but I don't know, guys, it's just kind of patchy. Okay, I'm going to try to deepen this color up even more because this patchiness is driving me crazy. So I'm going to get the black shade in the palette and just lightly dip my brush into it and tap it on the outer corner. Okay, this black shade is super pigmented, really black, but I'm having the same issue, you guys. I don't know if it's just my eye right now or if it's these shadows, but they're just really hard to blend out for me right now. Like, I've seriously been sitting here for like 5 minutes just blending out this eyeshadow, and it shouldn't take this long. Like, no, this is not cute. Like, I want to start over, you guys. Oh my gosh, why is it like that? Okay, for shimmer, I am going to do, I feel like this gold is calling my name. So swatched on the finger, it feels really good, but it kind of looks a little chunky. Oh yeah, it's definitely more of like a chunky glitter. I just can't believe this right now. Like, my eye looks like shit, you guys. Like, what is going on? No, this is just, this eyeshadow sucks. It sucks. I'll be back. I'm taking this off. Like, this is just not cute. Okay, so I couldn't even get all the glitter off. It's seriously just all over my face. And right now I'm not having the best first impressions of this palette. Like, I just don't even want to finish this look, to be honest with you guys. I just want to return it. But we're gonna go in and try some other colors because we can't be discouraged. I'm gonna start with that first shade I started with on this eye because it seems to be the only transition shade in this whole palette. So I'm gonna start on this eye. Maybe this eye was just bad juju or something, I don't know, but okay, this shade was extremely pigmented. I just dipped my brush in like one time and covered my whole eye. Okay, that was a lot better. But I'm gonna deepen up the corner a little bit more using a darker shade in this palette. Maybe some shadows are better than others, but this one is not bad. I wanna darken it up even more, but the black shade in this palette just, I'm kind of traumatized with. Let's try it though. Maybe it's just this eye. shimmer shade to finish this look off. Let's see, there's so many colors. Okay, I like this. Okay, you guys, I like how this eye came out and everything blended really well. I don't know if I should attempt to do the same look I was trying to go for on the other side, just to see if they act the same way. Let's do it because I'm curious to know. Pretty much the same thing, you guys. You see how patchy it is right here? And it's just so hard to blend. Okay, before I just want to give up, I'm going to add another shimmer, but not the one we originally started with because I honestly hate how like chalky and it's still all over my face. So I'm gonna try another one. I've never had shimmer shades when you use your finger just not go on and look good. This is crazy to me. I'm just making it worse and it's all over my face. And this pink shade has pretty much already stained my skin. So I kind of don't even want to do the rest of my face because I want to take these off and play with something else. I don't know what to do. Okay, you guys, I don't think I've ever done a negative review, but I don't like this palette at all. Like, at all. I don't know. I'm like really disappointed in this palette, you guys. Like, really disappointed. What I've noticed with Morphe and a lot of other makeup brands when they collaborate with a big YouTuber or beauty influencer, the quality of the shadows goes down because they need to pay those people a lot more money. So they don't put that much money into the quality of the shadows, and there's 4 different beauty influencers that they have to pay for this palette, and that's probably why the shadows, in my opinion, are crap. And I hate to do a negative review, you guys, like I really do, but I just want to be honest with you guys and, you know, share what I think about this because I spent $42 on this. $42, and if the shadows were good, it would totally be worth it in my opinion, but I'm actually going to return this because I don't see myself ever using this palette because I couldn't even blend it. Like, I don't know, they were just so hard to blend. These colors were a little bit easier, but this black shade just pretty much sucked. Like, it was so patchy, hard to blend. If you're new to makeup and blending out your eyeshadows, like, I don't know, this would be horrible for you because I was seriously blending this out for so long. My eye hurts from blending. Like I said, I don't like being negative on my channel about anything, but I do like to give my honest review on things, and that's just me being honest. Like, I wouldn't spend your guys' money on this. I know there's a lot of other good Morphe palettes that you can purchase. I have a few of them. Like, I know the last review I did on a Morphe palette, the Live in Color palette, I love that palette. I used it so much for my Halloween looks. And it's just weird to me that the formulas of the eyeshadows are different. I guess it's just a hit or miss, but there are way better palettes from Morphe that I would recommend, just not this one. I don't know, maybe I got like a shitty quality, crappy one, but I want my money back. So that's pretty much all I have to say for this video. Again, you guys, I'm sorry I had to give a negative review, but I just want to be real and honest with you guys. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, hippies.